Hello friends, this is your Srihari here with another video. And recently my rear shock of my KTM RC390 broke and it's very bouncy right now. The ride is very bouncy. That's why I'm not riding recently very much, and there is no videos of my bikes recently. And few weeks back I have ordered a new rear shock in the KTM showroom, that's the service center nearby at Palakkad. So finally yesterday I got a call from them saying that the shock is finally arrived and we can install it anytime. So I will be heading today towards Palakkad KTM service center, and I will be getting the shock changed from there. I'll be changing my address and we can head out, guys. So I have started my journey to the Palakkad KTM service center. It's around 8:20 right now and I have around 30 minutes plus journey. It will be opening by 9, so the time will be correct. We have finally reached KTM showroom here. Oh, കുഴപ്പമില്ല, ഷോക്ക് മാറ്റാണ്ട്. We have reached KTM here, so workers has not been here yet, and once they come we can start the work. So guys, we have finally changed the rear monoshock of my KTM RC390. So this is the new shock. It's a bit different from the old one. So guys, the suspension has been changed, the shock has been changed. I can see a significant difference while riding. Bike feel extremely stable than before. Ahead of us we have a small bumpy right hand curve, so we can check the suspension when the bike is a bit leaned, so we can check that out right now. Now the suspension is performing as before. There is no issues at all. So that's it guys. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, click the like button. If you don't like the video, click the dislike button. And if you are not a subscriber, please do subscribe to get the latest updates from my channel. And don't forget to click that small bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time I upload new stuff online. See you guys in another video. Take care. Bye.